Hello everyone. So in this video I will go through one of the scenario based question for the Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist exam, and this question is around how to verify platform binaries and delete binaries which does not match the checksum. So usually when we perform any like Kubernetes production installation setup or something like that, we usually get binaries from some source. So if we are getting some binaries from some source and we don't see the checksum, there may be a possibility that the binaries are corrupted or it has been hacked, and we have to make sure that those binaries match the checksum as per the Kubernetes documentation. So this question revolves around whether to check how the binaries checksum match, and if not, we will be required to delete those binaries. So this is how the question would be presented to you. So let's get started. So there are 4 binaries located at this location, and those binaries are provided a checksum value. So these are the checksum. So for kube-apiserver, this is the checksum. For kube-controller-manager, this is the checksum, and for kube-proxy and kubectl, so on. And what we are required to do is to calculate the checksum and then verify if it matches or not. So first I'll just show you the trick to how to solve this particular problem. So let's say so you have to run SHA512 sum, and you can provide the name of any file. It can be a binary, txt, and it will calculate the SHA512 sum, checksum for that particular file. So so herein I'm on this particular location and I have got all the Kubernetes binaries. So I want to calculate the SHA512 sum for the kube-apiserver. So this will give me the SHA512 sum, but I just wanted to show how the trick to perform to solve this question is not by doing eyeball or comparing. The fastest way to solve this problem is is to take this grep, and if I take this particular value, right, now this should match exactly. So if I copy, command C, command V, so you will see if I do like this, you will see the result. That means the output of this command piped to grep, and I have taken the input again from the previous, and if it matches, you will see, okay, the output, so something has come up. So if the checksum doesn't match, so I can do like this. So even if there is one, so you will see there is no output. So for example, if I make A into B, right, so you will see there is absolutely no output. That means the checksum is not matching. So just to remember for the exam, if the checksum is not matching, I mean if there is absolutely no output, that means checksum doesn't match. So now we'll solve this problem, and I will remove the binaries which checksum doesn't match as per the documentation. So I'll go back and I'll take the first so let me do, okay, and I will say grep, and I will copy the value, the first value, kube-apiserver, and so I can see some output. That means it's perfect, checksum is matching, and I don't have to delete this one. So I'll go ahead and do the other one now, 512 sum, and next one is kube-controller-manager. So I copy the value, kube-controller-manager, and I do grep, and I take the checksum from here. So I don't see any output in this case for the kube-controller-manager, right? So I'm not seeing any output. That means the checksum is not matching. So I will go ahead and delete kube-controller-manager. Okay. So moving on to the next one, SHA512 sum, and next is kube-proxy. So I take kube-proxy and grep and take the value which is available as per the documentation or as per the question. So question says that that is the value which I need to check with. So I do a grep and I see this output in this case, right? So that means the checksum is matching, so I don't have to delete kubeproxy. Now moving on to the last one, and last one is kubelet, and I copy the kubelet and do a grep and take the verified value as per the document or as per the question and paste it. And in this case there is absolutely no output. This is just the command and there is no output after that. So that means kubelet checksum is not matching. That means kubelet is corrupted, and I should go ahead and delete the kubelet. So as you have seen, among these four, kubelet and kube-controller-manager didn't match, and kube-apiserver and kube-proxy matched. So I didn't delete those two and deleted controller-manager and kubelet. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.